Welcome to Script Learners. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss a very interesting problem that was asked in the Deloitte coding interview round. The interview was based on Hibernate Core Java and Spring Boot concepts. In this video, we'll be covering the coding part only. So before jumping into the problem, I would like you guys to please hit that like button and subscribe our channel. We create some awesome interview preparation related videos. So make sure to subscribe and press that bell icon in order to get the notifications. So let's discuss the problem. So here is our problem statement. Moving each letter of alphabet a predetermined number of location is a part of Caesar cipher. The sequence loops back to the beginning of the alphabet when a shift goes past the end of the alphabet. For instance, the letter WXYZ would be mapped to Z, A, B, and C if the alphabet were rotated by 3. As an illustration, the alphabet original form is this normal our alphabet collections, whereas its rotated form is this. Like if we rotate uh, this this string with 3, then this will be the following string that we'll get. So here if you will observe carefully, the starting 3 characters got rotated, and hence they are now situated in the last. So this is the basic problem statement. Here we have the input format. We have a string and an int variable that is the alphabet rotation factor, and here are the constants. K should be less than or equal to 26. Okay, so let's understand this problem with the help of one example. So in this example we have a string which is welcome to script learners. It also contains some special characters and the K is 5. Okay, so this is the following output. So let's discuss this. So here we have K equal to 5, and this is our normal uh, this is a normal string which contains our alphabets. What we have to do is we have to rotate uh, this alphabet in an order such that uh, the starting characters gets in the last. Okay, so here this string is rotated by 5 characters, so initial 5 characters have been moved to the last. Okay, so the indexing will remain same, but characters value have changed. Okay, so here if you will observe, we have to convert the following string after rotating this string which contains our alphabets, and the indexing should remain same. So like in the initial string which in which we have the standard alphabets in their order, so W was situated in the fourth last index. Now W is replaced by B here. So if you'll observe carefully here, W is changed by B. The second character is E. E is changed by J. So if you will observe, this was the E, it got changed by J. So by following this method, we have to convert the string, and hence we'll get our encrypted output. So I hope you understood this problem. So let's jump into the coding part. So I will create a new class here. I will name it as Deloitte interview, and I'll also select the public static void main. Yeah, let me also import the required packages. Import java.util.asterisk. So guys, we have created a detailed video on what is public static void main. This is a very important interview question. Make sure to check it out. I'll drop the link here in the top right corner. Okay. So let me create a scanner class object. Here's scanner sc, new scanner, system.in. Then I'll create the string s, and I'll take the input from user, right? Sc dot next line, and I'll also create one variable int k, and I'll also take the input from user by using the next int method, right? Now I will create one more string. Let me name it as a, and I will initialize it with empty quotes. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create a for loop, and I will store the characters from a till z into the string, this string a. Okay. So what I will do, I will initialize I as a char data type, and I'll initialize it with a, and I'll do I less than equal to z, sorry, single quote z, and I plus plus. Okay, and I will store the I into the string a. Okay, so I mean the for loop is not limited to only ints. We can also store some characters and do some calculation on characters via for loop. Now what I will do, I will create one more string here. String, let me name it as temporary string. Now what I will do, I will create a substring from string a, and I will initialize the first starting index with k and the ending index with 26. So the ending index is always the desired index you want to get plus 1. Okay, and plus a dot substring, and here I will initialize it with 0 and till k. So it's actually k minus 1, but you know the ending index should be the desired index plus 1, so I simply wrote k here. So what exactly I did here is, like, let's say, let's take this example. So here k is 5, right? So first what I did, I stored the characters from index 5, right? That is from f till z. Sorry. First I stored these characters. Then what I did, I took from 0 till k. So from 0 till k. So obviously here the fifth index is f, so it will get excluded, no worries. Yeah, So hence we got our final rotated string, right, in the temp string variable. Okay, got it. Now let's do some real calculation here. I will create one more for loop here. This time I will initialize it with a int variable I less than s dot length, right, and I plus plus. Okay, now I will check if s dot char at I is greater than or equal to a, and s dot char at I is less than equal to z. Okay, right? If it's true, then I will do a sys out. Now what I will print here, we will take the character from the input string, that is the string s, the ith character, and we will check its index in the original alphabet string, that is string a. Then we will get the character present at the index in the rotated string. Okay, so let me first write it down, then I will explain you in a better way. So I will do temp dot char at, then a dot index of, right, I'll get the index of what, the character present in the input string, right? Yeah, so here what we did, we took the character from the input string, we got its index uh, in the string a, then we simply printed the character present in the temp string. So let's suppose the ith character is the ith character. Let me do this. Let me copy the input string here. Yeah. So let's suppose the ith character here is w. So what our code will do is, it will get that character, okay, w. Then it will check the index of w in string a. So this is the string a, right, which contains our standard alphabets in that order. So it will get the index. The index will be what, 22, I think, right? Then it will get the char present at that particular index, right? So in the temp string. So this is our temp string, right? So the character present at 22nd index is b, right? So it will print that particular character, right? So here if you will observe, our output is b, right? Like the replica of w is b here, right? So I hope you understood this part. If you got this, like you got the solution, the complete solution. In case of any confusion, please rewatch this part again. I hope you'll understand this. Spend some time with the code, you will surely understand this. Okay, so then else, if the char present in the ith index is does not fall into the series from a till z, then it should be either a capital letter or it's a special character, right? So what I did, I created a else statement. Inside else, I created one if statement in which I will check if that particular character is uppercase or not, right? So we have this, we can do this by character dot is uppercase method. Inside this, I will pass that particular character present in the ith index. If yes, then I will do a sysout again. I will simply copy this statement. We have to make some small changes here. So if that particular character is capital, right? So here, if you will carefully observe, this W is a capital letter, right? So if we will directly try to check inside our string A, then it will not return anything because it's in capital. The ASCII value of capital is different from like small letters. Okay, so we have to convert it into the lowercase letter and return that particular output in the capital order, right? So here, if you will carefully observe, the letters which are in capital form got their output in the capital form itself, right? If W was written in capital, then we got the output in capital. This is a this is an edge case. Okay, so we have to handle it. Here S is also capital, so we return X in the capital order. So we are handling this particular edge case here. Okay, so in order to do this, what I will do, I will simply first what I will do, I will convert it down, that is the ith character in lowercase, in order to search it in the string A. So we can do that by character dot to lowercase, right? Okay, and then at the end, what I will do, I will convert that particular character into two uppercase, right? And I'll close the bracket. Okay, if it's not uh, an uppercase letter, then it should be the special character. In that case, we'll simply print that particular character. Okay, s dot char at I. Okay, cool. Let me do some formatting also. So I'll do this out here. Yeah, so let's run our program. I will copy our string from here. Yeah, and here we have k is 5, right? Oh, okay. So I did println here. So let me run it again. So yeah, this is our output. Yes, it's correct. So that's all about this problem. I hope you like this video, and many of you are commenting like these problems are very easy, and like these are not supposed to be asked in a senior level interview question, sorry, interview. So I just want to make this clear, like this is not the only thing that interviewer asks. The interview lasts till 1 hour, and maybe in some cases more than 1 hour. So in that period of time, there are multiple types of questions such as project discussion and some other internal conceptual knowledge based questions, etc. So this part is for the logical programming only. So in that case, usually in the service based company, usually this is the band. Okay, I would say uh, only these types of questions are asked in the service based companies. So that's it. So I will paste the link of this problem in the comment section, and I've also pasted the code here in the article. Make sure to check it out. And guys, please subscribe our channel. We are like working very hard for you, and in order to get some awesome more interview preparation related videos, please subscribe and uh, do support, guys. We are also planning to create some amazing courses in Java, Spring Boot, and even in data structures and algorithm. So please stay tuned and